Welcome to Stack. In this video, I will show you how to fix the message that says your device is offline and asks you to sign in with the last password used on this device. First, let us make sure your computer is actually connected to the internet. Look at the bottom right corner of your screen and click on the internet icon. This icon may look like Wi-Fi bars or an Ethernet symbol, depending on your setup. Also, check that airplane mode is turned off. If airplane mode is on, turn it off and reconnect to the internet. Once you are connected, restart your computer and see if the problem is gone. If that does not fix the issue, move on to the second method. Click on the power icon on the login screen. Before clicking restart, press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard. Keep holding the Shift key and then click restart. Do not release the Shift key while the computer is restarting. This will take you to the recovery screen. When you see the recovery options, click on Troubleshoot. Next, click on Advanced Options. Then click on Startup Settings. If you do not see Startup Settings right away, click on See More Recovery Options and it should appear. Once Startup Settings is visible, click on it and then click Restart. After the computer restarts, you will see a list of options. To enable safe mode, press 4 or F4 on your keyboard. Wait for Windows to load into safe mode. Once you are logged into safe mode, simply restart your computer normally. After restarting, the offline device error should be fixed, and you should be able to sign in without seeing that message again. Thanks for watching.